Hi everyone, and welcome to the beautiful community of Rolling Hills Estate here in Four Corners, Kissimmee. I'm Nathan Meyer, also known as the Real Estate Transformer.
And I'm Lily LaSalle, and we're with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty.
That's right, Lily, and this property that just hit the market is a stunner. Say it with me. Location and layout. Location and layout. Location and layout!
Let's show them how perfect it is.
Did I mention that this house is completely renovated inside and out?
That's why we should show them inside.
Did I mention that it comes fully furnished, no rear neighbors?
Yeah.
Did I mention that this driveway is getting brand new pavers?
Ay, Nathan, no lo digo todo.
Uh-oh, she's speaking in Spanish. Vámonos! Welcome to this stunning, beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home at 7906 Golden Pond Circle in the desirable community of Rolling Hills Estate, located in Four Corners, Kissimmee. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the beautiful upgrades to this home. Brand new tile flooring throughout, along with new carpet in the bedrooms. As you walk through this open floor plan, you'll notice all the wonderful upgrades to this home. New stainless steel appliances, new granite countertops, and a very open and spacious kitchen. 2 convenient places to sit down and enjoy a meal and a glass of wine. This living room is the perfect size that overlooks the breathtaking view of its private pool and pond with no rear neighbors. This home comes equipped with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, making it the perfect size. Did I mention that everything is new? Everything from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. New lighting, new ceiling fans, new roof, new AC. Don't forget that everything you see is conveying with the property. The garage welcomes even more space with an extra living area and game room. Notice the newly painted sealed floor as well. Whether you plan to live here permanently or continue to use it as a successful investment property, it's turnkey ready and waiting for its new owner. I told you this place is a stunner, right?
My mind is blown.
It's insane, right?
This is a rental investment property with future bookings in place and fully furnished.
Yes, yes, and yes, making it super convenient for the next owner. So, if you want to witness the magic for yourself, contact me, Nathan Meyer,
I'm Lily LaSalle.
and we'll make sure you get a private showing. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't miss out.
Hi everyone, welcome to the beautiful Rolling Hills Estate community here in Four Corners, Kissimmee. I'm Nathan Meyer, also known as the Real Estate Transformer.
And I'm Lily LaSalle, and we're with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty.
Let's go back. Uh-oh, she's speaking in Spanish. Vámonos! Yeah! Did I mention that it comes fully furnished? No rear neighbors.
You stroke?
All right, just tell me when.
Yeah, we're rolling.
A rental income property. And all their and their future bookings in place.
I see your eyes like.
A lot of lines.
I did.
Okay. All right. I'm Lily LaSalle with the Home Squad, and we're here in Kissimmee, Florida, and I have no idea what else you wanted me to say. That's it. We're good.
Nailing it.
Got it.